I'm in Ho Chi Minh City, otherwise known as Saigon, and I'm renting this apartment in District 9 for only 300 Canadian dollars a month. To put that in perspective, it's about 250 US dollars to rent this apartment for the entire month, which allows me to stay here and also have another place in District 1 where I actually move from this apartment to that apartment whenever I feel like it, and occasionally rent a hostel and a co-working space. So technically I'm all over this city. I come to District 9 to relax. I come to this beautiful apartment, I take a shower, I enjoy myself, I watch some TV, I work for my clients, I eat some food out of the fridge, and then I go and I leave to District 1, and then I hang out in District 1, and then I see people and I do crazy things, and I work there as well from a coffee shop. Check it out, guys, front door, amazing, wood. It even has a lock on it that's electric, so you can put your passcode in it. Check out this kitchen area. You have a sink over here. You got a nice electric convection stove and all the shebangs. You have the microwave, a nice fridge, okay? Look around, look around. This is why I'm not a real estate agent. And check it out, there's even a seating area with a television. Look at that. So you can sit down. Sometimes I crack out some work here on my laptop and then I watch TV, and there's a balcony. The balcony is incredible. It comes with its own laundry machine, so you don't have to use any laundry services. Just throw your machine in there. It washes and it dries. And look, you have a nice view of Ho Chi Minh City. That's a beautiful, incredible view. Wake up in the morning. Sometimes they have some coffee over here. You know, you just pick up your laundry. You're all ready to go. You walk back into this room. You know, have another coffee, because caffeinated is the best way to go. And you finish some work. And it's just a great place. Very affordable, 250 US dollars a month, sitting around here and having a great time in District 9. There's a lot of local families in District 9, so you're gonna see mostly Vietnamese people. You might get like one expat. I've maybe seen one or two in the whole month. So you might get somebody, but in reality, it is just fantastic. It's quiet, it's beautiful, 2 coffee shops across the road, and there's even a swimming pool on the property. It comes with a fairly modern bathroom, as you can see. It's a little bit small, but there is a shower over here. The floor is a bit wet, so I'm being careful. There's a shower there. It's modern, it's clean, it's nice. The apartment's furnished, and then you have my room. My room, which I've been working from, is clearly a little bit of a mess, but this is a good, nice, small room, you know? It's my humble abode. It's a very cliche word people use, so I have to use it too. And it comes with its own aircon, fully equipped with aircon. Because I'm Canadian, I like to keep my room cold like Canada.
Oh my god! This is what Halifax looks like in the middle of a blizzard!
Just a quick note before you come out here, the reason why this is so inexpensive is because it's not in the hustling, bustling area that's like Boy Vienne Road or Boy Vienne Street. You know, all the craziness and action in the nightclubs is not around here. It's very residential. You're gonna have a very local Vietnamese life with see people driving around, park across the road. It's just a very local style of living, which is fine because I can get out of here really inexpensively by motorcycle ride, either me driving or hiring a Grab. Probably gonna cost me around 2 Canadian dollars to go wherever I want. So it's very inexpensive, but mind you, the main district like District 1, District 3, that's gonna be around 20 or 30 minutes of a motorcycle ride away. That sounds like a lot. I got very used to it, so I'll leave and I'll spend 2 or 3 days there and then come back. That's how I do it. I don't want to do a 30-minute ride every day or a 20-minute ride every day without traffic. I want to, you know, experience here, live like a local, and then go back and enjoy the craziness, do my work from a coffee shop, and then come back again. So I stay in one city. I don't go, you know, I don't travel and see 5 cities at a time. Maximum, I'm gonna see 2 for each month, okay? So if I land in a country, I'm seeing 2 cities maximum. Ideally, I'll stay in 1, okay? So that's the best way for me to do it. You may prefer to be closer downtown, in which case it's probably going to be more expensive for you for 1 month. So quick disclaimer. So I've really been enjoying this place, and I just wanted to show you a little bit about how good it is out here, how nice life can be when you're in Ho Chi Minh City, otherwise known as Saigon. So I'm gonna head outside, I'm gonna do some work today. I'm also going to show you more of Saigon, so be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. I make videos for world travelers, people interested in working online, immigrants, international students. If you're moving around the world and you want to better yourself, this is the channel for you. Subscribe, smash that bell, and thank you for watching.